think about this every time when I'm driving up I-95 north or south. M&T Bank Stadium is the front door to our city. It is the signature of our skyline.
We're here today at M&T Bank Stadium to celebrate the extension of our naming rights partnership with the Baltimore Ravens. We started that partnership back in 2003. We extended it once in 2014, and we're extending it today through 2037.
Well, this is really important relationship for us. Our stadium naming rights partner is really intertwined with our brand, the way we want to play football. M&T has been an outstanding partner for us for the last 20 years. And as we look forward to our future, they're a huge part of what we want to be as a football team, as a business, and as a community steward here in Baltimore.
Yeah, I mean, the Maryland Food Bank has been the beneficiary of these two organizations' kind of community involvement at such a deep level that we're so honored to be on the long list of organizations they support. And so their continued partnership only means good things for us.
You know, what's interesting is we always have choices when it comes to our partnerships that we create. And what's amazing to me is we've created so much goodwill and so much impact in our markets and our communities through this partnership that it made a whole bunch of sense to continue that on through 2037.
I think everybody who loves the Ravens benefits. But it's really, as I said, it's more than football. It's really our community, because both the Ravens and M&T believe strongly in investing in the community.
Well, it shows the importance of commitment. It shows the importance of tenure. It shows the importance of being a bank in a community through great times and not so great times. We were here for the last 20 years. We're going to be here together with the Ravens for the next 15, 20, 25 and more.
I think it starts with values, and you know, when we think about M&T, we think about commitment to excellence. We think about a commitment to the community that they serve, and certainly an investment in their people and their customers. And those are all things that we aspire towards every day at the Ravens when we wake up, whether we're in or off season. And so we very much reflect the same types of values that we think M&T does. And that's why I think the partnership has worked and why we've been able to build so much trust.
I think the sky's the limit when it comes to the Ravens and M&T Bank working together.